What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to get this out the way. I am not sponsored by this company, nor have they given me money for me to make this video or this product for free. In this video, I'm going to be going over passing drug tests with synthetic urine, and specifically on the brand Quick Fix. There's other alternatives for synthetic urine, or you can even buy real urine. If you're buying real urine, just make sure if you're a man, you buy it from a guy, like it's a male urine, and if you're a woman, make sure you're buying woman urine, because that's going to come up on the test, and it's not going to look good if you're a guy and you get urine from a pregnant woman. Trust me, it's going to look wrong. It's going to be a red flag for sure. To start off with the instructions, like I said before, they're very simple, but you just gotta make sure you actually do follow them, even though they're easy, they gotta be done. So the first thing you gotta do is open up the box like it's some Christmas presents, of course, right? And now that you got the bottle of synthetic urine and the heat pad set aside, what you want to do is figure out what is your heating method that you're gonna take, because you can either microwave it for 10 seconds after you uncap and remove the seal. Of course, don't just put it straight into the microwave like a madman and have it explode in there. Or you can either just attach the heat pad with the elastic that it comes with to the bottle of synthetic urine for at least an hour. And as long as you show up with urine that is at the right temperature, which is around your body temperature, which is around 98.6. And now for some quick tips. You want to go in with urine that's not cold, but not too hot that is not natural. Your body temperature is around 98.6, so try not to go way past that or way below that. You want to be around that. The bottle of Quick Fix comes with a little temperature gauge that you can use to check. Tip number 2, the heat pack will only keep it hot enough for 4 hours, and so make sure that if you use the heat pad that you're going to get tested in the next 4 hours, and it takes up to an hour to get it to the right temperature to even pass the test. Tip number 3, if you're going to microwave it, make sure to remove the cap so you don't have it explode in your microwave. And bonus tip, just make sure that you get the urine that matches your sex. And that is all, and I really hope you guys the best and have a great day, and thank you for watching.